We're now going to look at the 9 Metre Pro Plus kit sold by Window Washing. So this kit consists of a 35cm stainless steel squeegee with a 35cm rubber blade replaceable, a 71cm length of rubber as a replacement for the 35cm squeegee. You can just cut that in half, and that's two replacements for the 35cm squeegee. A 35cm washer complete with sleeve. The sleeve is removable and it is also machine washable. And a replacement 35cm sleeve for the 35cm washer. The kit also comes with a 15-litre window cleaning bucket. This bucket is big enough to allow you to be able to dip your 35cm washer into the bucket and fully submerge it. And then finally, the 9 Metre window cleaning pole. All our poles here at Window Washing have the friction fit design on the end of the cone, and this enables you to be able to put your washer on, be able to soap up the glass, and then without any ado or any problems, you just take off the washer and put on the squeegee. There's enough friction there to be able to hold the washer and squeegee with sufficient force to allow you to clean the glass effectively. So this is just a feature that our telepoles have. So this is the 9 Metre Pro Plus window cleaning kit from Window Washing.